Every time you launch a new product, you're stuck with the same two bad options. Either pay $500 to a photographer or take it in your phone in bad lighting on your desk and hope customer don't notice that. Neither of those scale anytime. If you're adding 10 to 20 products a month, photography becomes the bottleneck that slows down everything else. So I built something that fixes this completely. That's the image I uploaded, which I took from my phone, in my hand, cluttered with a random background. No lighting, no setup, no backdrop, no nothing. 90 seconds later, that's what came out. Clean background, professional lighting, correct shadows, looked like it came out of studio shoot. And it doesn't stop there. The best part is, it also gives me a full product video. This is a 5-second product video generated from that same image. Camera movement, subtle lighting shift, the kind of clip you'd usually pay a videographer for. Zero photography budget, zero editing, one photo in, professional assets out. This isn't about saving money on one shoot. If you're running an e-commerce store and constantly adding new products, every single one needs its own photography. That's either an ongoing cost that never goes away, or a bottleneck where product sits live with bad photos because you haven't gotten around to the shoot yet. Bad product photos cost you conversions. Good one cost you money and time. I wanted neither trade-off, so I automated the whole thing. Here's what's actually running under the hood. N8N for the automation logic, Claude for the creative direction, which is literally writing the photography instruction like an art director, and 2 AI models from kie.ai. Flux for the image and Kling for the video generation. I'll show you exactly how these connect, but I want to be upfront. This is real technical build. So if you're not planning to build this yourself, that's totally fine. Stick around anyway. Seeing how this actually works is exactly why you'll trust this over someone who just says AI can do that without ever showing you anything. It starts with a simple form. Let's create another image. I'll use that deodorant image I have. That's how it looks like. I'll just add the description, luxurious organic deodorant made from minerals. So the description bit is very important here. How you describe your product will actually make the image like that. And I'll just hit submit. The moment I submit, the photo gets uploaded to kie.ai file service. Think of this as just a public link to the image. So the AI model downstream can actually fetch it. So I just don't throw the raw description at the image model. I have Claude that acts as a director first. It looks at the product title, description, and the category, and then writes an actual professional editing instruction. That includes backgrounds, lighting style, camera angle, and all the cleanup needed. All the stuff that a real photographer would decide before even touching the camera. That instruction then goes into Flux, which does the actual image transformation, turning the raw phone image into the studio shot. Once that's done, Claude runs again, and this time acting as a videographer, writing the motion prompt, camera movement, lighting shifts, and kind of direction you'd give before filming a product video. Then the motion prompt and the new image that we just created goes to Kling. That's another model we use for video generation. It actually takes the image we just generated using AI, renders it into an actual 5-second video. Both the image and video results are then get saved into our Google Drive. One thing that is worth calling out is looping logic. Because we are sending the image over the internet via APIs to the different AI models, sometimes it takes a while to get the finished product back. So I've just added 20 seconds wait for the image and 10 seconds wait for the video. And if we go back to our Google Drive, we can see that's the image that was created from our upload that looks like this. That's what we uploaded, that's what we got. And if we look into the video, not bad, pretty decent actually. That's actually a professional product asset generated from a phone photo with zero manual editing. I would use that on my website any day. So what this actually means, every new product you add, you can have professional photography and video from day one. No photographer needed, no editing required, no bottleneck, and you're not paying a photographer to come in and do their job. You upload a phone photo and 2 minutes later, you have all the assets you need and you put straight onto your product page or into an ad. For a store adding products regularly, that's not one-time win. That's hours saved and money saved every single week, as long as you're running the store. This was a very high level overview of what I've built. So I have built this complete workflow, every node, every prompt, ready to import, and I'm giving away it for free. Link is in my bio. Grab it, plug your own API keys, and you've got this running from day one. If this is useful, there's more interesting stuff coming up. I'm covering a different automation every episode. Do follow and subscribe. See you in the next one.